Guys, kung gusto niyo talaga ng mai-enjoy kayo sa mga trail without yung bigat ng motor or yung pagod na nagbibisikleta kayo, but you want to discover trails, light trails, even single tracks, this is the perfect bike for you kasi tahimik siya, hindi kayo nakaka-istorbo ng mga locals, even yung mga ecosystem, yung mga animals, hindi niyo madi-disturb. So, at the same time, napakalakas ng torque. So, kahit iakyat nyo sa mga single track uphills, kayang-kaya. Ayan, so nakikita nyo na we enjoy climbing the part of Araibo, medyo stiff to na area. Kung makikita nyo dyan sa photo. Yan, may mga taniman dyan.
Nagkugay mga talong, oh. Pero na yung mga parag.
Well, actually hindi kami prepared kasi pumunta lang kami dyan to spend our Christmas, but ayun, wala kaming gears, but we dahan-dahan lang. We managed to enjoy the scenery using the Soron Light B. Ayan, nakikita nyo, yun yung gamit namin. Maganda siya, light siya. Kung maputik, kung grabe yung putik, pwede nyo lang itulak. Ang ganda ng suspension niya, malakas yung makina niya. Ayan, yan, dahan-dahan lang kami kasi wala kaming gears eh, but we want to roam around, poke around trails. Ayan. Tapos in the afternoon, medyo bitin pa ako eh. So ayan, nag-explore na naman ako ng area. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako. Kuha ng picture. Ayan, napakaganda, napaka-enjoy. Parang nagbibisikleta ka lang without any effort.
This is the beauty of riding a Soron bike in Maragusan, somewhere in Araibo, and I don't know where I am. So here, yeah, poking around the place, looking at this beautiful river. Yeah, using Soron. Yeah.
Siyam.
So, ayan. Yeah. This is better than motocross or mountain bike when poking around and wala kang ensayo. Ooh, ayan. Yeah. Tahimik and magaan. So hindi ka mapapagod. Yan, ewan ko saan tayo. Let's just poke around.
If you're interested to get one, you can visit their incoming new showroom in front of the Red Planet Hotel in Bahada, tabi ng Champion Hardware. So, see you!